Good morning, grade 4. Hope you all fine. Today we're going to complete what we started before. Last session we understand that there are two types of adaptation, structural and behavioral, and some animals have both of them. Structural adaptation is a change in the body. Born with it, Allah made it, and the behavioral one enacts or behaves. So some animals have both of adaptations. Today we're going to study two special examples, which are bull shark and panther chameleon. So let's start with bull shark. Bull shark is very unique shark. In general, all shark lives in salt water. Salt water is like ocean, seas, etc. But bull shark body adapted to both fresh water and salt water. By the way, fresh water is like rivers. It has a structural and behavioral adaptation. So, bull shark adapted its body to survive in both salt and fresh water. Okay? Structural adaptation of bull shark started with its body because its body is adapted to survive in fresh water. And this is different from all sharks. Then what? Then has sharp teeth. Has sharp teeth to help it sneak up its prey and tear their body. Oh, that's really special. As we can see here, we have here two colors on his body, dark at the back and white at the belly, and this is brilliant. This is called countershading. So let's talk about this one. Countershading is a structural adaptation because it's found in the body of bull shark, and when an animal swimming above the bull shark looking down into the ocean may not see the shark because of its dark back, but when an animal swimming underneath the bull shark and looking up, the bull shark may blend in with the bright light of the sun due to its white belly. How bull shark can hide using this strategy, camouflage strategy, which is called countershading. Okay, so bull shark also has a behavioral adaptation. Yes, as we can see now, it's related to hunt. It can hunt in different places, like salt water or fresh water, so it can feed on different type of food. So I think bull shark is lucky shark, as it has less competition for finding food. No other shark share its food in fresh water, you know? Also, it hunts in day as well as night. Day means in the morning and at the night, basically all the time. So its prey cannot predict when this shark going to hunt. Now let's go to panther chameleon. So this called the panther chameleon. Before anything, you have to know this, that panther chameleon is a type of lizard, and lizards are from the reptiles. Reptiles covered always with scales. So lizards are from reptiles that are an ancient type of animals. Scales are covered the bodies of reptiles such as lizard. We have two types of lizard we're going to study. Pteridactyl lizard, which live in very hot desert, and the panther chameleon, which lives in tropical rainforest. Rainforest, it's called as a rainforest because it almost all the time raining. In summer, in winter, in spring, in autumn, almost all the time raining. So, panther chameleon lives in tropical rainforest and have a structural adaptation and behavioral adaptation. Let's start with structural one. It has a brightly colored scales. As we can see here in this picture, it has a very unique colors of scales that provide a camouflage with its surrounding environment. Also, it has V-shaped feet, as we can see here, V-shaped feet, and a tail like a hand. It uses it as a hand, as we can see this one, to hold it tightly to the branch of the tree. Again, it has a brightly colored scales that provides a camouflage with its surrounding environment because it's a different color in rainforest habitat, which is contained green colors, brown colors, and flower colors, and so on. So this is a great camouflage for the panther chameleon. And it has a V-shaped feet and a tail like a hand. And this helps panther chameleon to hold tightly the branches of the tree. Also, panther chameleon have very long sticky tongue. We can see here in this image this long tongue that is sticky at the end that catch the prey. So it has a very long sticky tongue to hunt insect for feeding. Okay, and the last thing we're going to study about structural adaptation of panther chameleon, the eye. Look to this photo very carefully. Chameleon eyes moves in opposite directions. Each eye can move independently from the other. One eye can be searching for something to eat, for example, like insect, while the other one is looking for a danger in totally different directions. As we can see here in this image, one eye looked to side and the other eye looked to other side. Cool, isn't it? So let's talk about behavioral adaptation of the chameleon. When chameleon feel dangers, it puffs its body. The meaning of puff its body, as we can see here in this picture, fills its body with air, as we can see. And